Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about another important marketing tool, and that is pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click, which also refers to cost per click, is a paid but truly result-oriented strategy rather than attempting to earn organic traffic by following a particular algorithm of a certain platform. Here, the advertisers pay for each click they get for their ads through an online channel. It may be over any search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, or social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and etc. So basically, it's a simple way of getting visitors or traffic into your website. No matter how revolutionary your website is furnished, if you don't get any visitors, your site won't have any engagements. So it is crucial to get traffic, and for that, PPC would be more beneficial. When an ad is clicked, that visitor will be directed to a website or application to be engaged in some kind of custom action. Accordingly, the search engines are considered as well-known host platforms because they show up the ads related to what the users are searching for in the search bar. So it will be truly related and targeted to the user. Since they have all of your basic data such as location, keywords, interests, age, gender, language, and even the device you are using, they can personalize their related ads to the user to be effective and efficient. So if you want to publish your ads in the search engines like this, if it's like Google ads or Microsoft ads, you would have to go through a real-time bidding to advertise your ads on the search engines. This happens in a private and automated auction process using real-time data. So if you guys want to go for a PPC campaign, the first thing you have to worry about is keyword research. As much as the keyword research for a PPC campaign is time-consuming and complex, it is also vital. So you guys may have to get the exact keyword vocabulary that the target audience is actually using. Basically, your whole PPC campaign would be built around the core pillars called keywords you research. So all of your impressions, clicks, and conversions totally rely on this. So next, how many times do you think you need to do the keyword research for your PPC campaign? Do you think one-time keyword research would do everything that you need for your PPC campaign forever? Indeed not, but why? Simply everything changes, so how can the keywords not? While the market trends, social media behaviors, and all other community engagement are changed, no keywords would stay stable. The more relevant, updated, and trendy your keywords are, the more probability to win the RTB or the real-time bid, and then the impressions, clicks, and the conversions. So due to this primary rule of keywords, each and every successful advertiser does not forget to do the regular keyword research to grow and refine the keyword list. And next, we're gonna move into negative keyword research. Someone might think that do we want to perform negative keyword research as well? As it says negative, why do you want to do something negative for our campaign? So if you guys ask us the same question, yes of course, regularly you need to do. Negative keyword research would help your ads to prevent from appearing for irrelevant search queries. Showing your ads for irrelevant search queries might cost you negatively in two ways. The first thing is it could reduce the click-through rate, and then since this is irrelevant for what is actually searched, this might not be a conversion for sure, but it costs for those clicks as well, and that would be a total waste for yourself. So in this way, you could use PPC to build your brand over the whole planet among the search queries if you do follow the above pointed out steps. So please comment for any inquiry you have, and we will respond with our utmost pleasure. So goodbye for today. We are TaizerMinds.